Hi guys! So Natalia here in New York City, and today I would like to make a tutorial about dark lips because I feel that they're coming back and I find them kind of like very intimidating, but if you really know how to combine the color with your makeup, it actually can be a great look. And today is day number 5 of my makeup series, so I'm looking forward to starting this tutorial with you today. All right, so we're gonna start by prepping my face. Today I'm gonna prep the whole thing, my face, my lips first. I don't have any concealer. I actually have a little bit of eyeliner still under my eyes, but I made sure that I wash my face completely for this tutorial. And I'm gonna start prepping my face with the BNTC Serum. I love it. It's like my way to go now. Couple of pumps and it's enough for my entire face. Make sure you apply it completely evenly over your eyes, your face, even your neck, because it's enough product. And I just let it sit for a good minute. Good. Now, after that, I do want to prep my lips right away. So we're going to use the BNTC Lip Sugar Scrub, which I used on day 4. So as I said, I would like to prep my face first, completely. Just because I know that I'm ready to go with the makeup. And one hint about the scrub is that you may have to make sure that you scrub and scrub over your lips until the sugar is completely dissolved. Otherwise, you're gonna have sugar around your lips. And it's also, actually, it has a little bit of mint in it, so the taste and the feeling is so refreshing on your lips. Is great. I am in love with the scrub. All right, today, because my lips are gonna be a little darker, we're gonna go with a brightener under my eyes, different from my concealer, just because I want my under eyes to be tiny bit brighter than usual, to balance the darkness of my lips. And I'm gonna make sure that my lips match my blouse or close to it, right? That's the reason why I chose this particular blouse, because of the colors of the flowers. So you guys can see the nice, the nice match. All right, so here we go with the powder. And today, I would like to talk to you guys about mindfulness. I've been working on this a little bit more for the last 2 years. And one thing that I have learned to do a little bit more is practice gratitude. I read that if you practice gratitude, you are actually happier. So now every day when I wake up, I'm a very spiritual person, so I thank the Almighty God for my life, for everything that I have in my life, my family, my friends, my job, even the challenges and difficulties that are out there, because they make me be a stronger person. And in addition to that, I don't only give thanks to God, but I also give thanks to people around me. So from the person that is giving me the coffee to my friends, I just thank them for being there for me, which is, it's good. It's good to transfer that good energy to other people. I feel that when you transfer this good energy, it goes back to you. It's kind of like the part of this old cycle of energy. and I have learned to do that a little bit more. So I hope that you guys also practice gratitude a little bit more, because it does feel good inside you, and it does feel good in other people when they see you, you know, being thankful for the smallest things all the way up to the biggest things. All right, so I already put my blush very gently. I'm not trying to pop my cheeks a lot. I'm gonna go with more silver kind of like eyeshadow today, just because I feel that it matches the lipstick color that I'm gonna use a little bit better. So we're gonna go with the silver color, and I'm actually gonna apply it all throughout my eyelid. There we go. All right, and we're gonna follow that through with also a little bit of like a rose undertone in the inner part of my eye, just because it kind of like makes it match my blouse a little bit. I have that pink color in my blouse. It's like pink, burgundy, rose. So it's gonna make it look a little bit better. A little bit more silver in the sides of my eyes, and I think I'm done. Okay, now following this, I would like to use the Beauty and the City eyeliner, but I chose to use a different color, and that color today is going to be Mercury. So I want to show it to you guys. There we go, that's the color. And we're going to apply it in actually the top of my eye and the bottom of my eye. So I'm not going to use any eyeshadow under my eye. We're gonna use the eyeliner. Very good. So it's a nice color, very, very delicate. Good, and it gives you that also definition in your under eye, just enough to match your look. Right. Very good. Now, I don't have any mascara, so I'm off to put my mascara on and curl my eyelashes, because you guys know that I enjoy and love curling my eyelashes. I think they look much, much better. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna move on to the definition of my nose and my mouth. So I am done with the eyeliner, and I don't have any mascara on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to curl my eyelashes, apply my mascara, and after that we're gonna move on to the definition of my nose a little bit, because I want to show you guys a trick and the lip color. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now we're going to use the Millennium highlighter from Beauty and the City. I really like it because it actually does leave this nice highlight on your cheek, but anyway, you can use it anywhere because it's a stick. You can use it anywhere in your face, even your body if you want to. So what I usually do, if you want to be conservative, you can just apply it with your fingers and then diffuse it a little bit, which is what I'm gonna do. And here's a trick. If you have a relative thick nose like I do, what I do is I highlight the middle part of it, just like that. And then I apply a darker eyeshadow around it to make it more defined. So we're gonna do that in just a second. Lovely. All right, so off to the eyeshadow. For this part, I use my fingertip and I just go like this, and I go like this. And of course you can use a brush. I just like to make my life easy. Make sure you don't apply a lot because, or too much, because then it's not gonna look good. And then I also apply at the bottom. So this is another makeup pearl. Look at that. And now I have a thinner nose. Okay, off to the lips. Okay, so this is the final look. So you guys can see that my eyes are very gently kind of like matching my lipstick. I didn't want to put a lot of eyeshadow, just so again we can focus on the lips. This look I would use definitely mostly at night. I wouldn't use it during the day, just because of the nature of the color, right? There, it's heavy. So for a date, for dinner time, match it with like a blouse like this that can actually associate the colors, or even with a darker blouse, or a white blouse will look good too. So thank you for tuning in for day 5, and I am looking forward to seeing you again for day 6. So you guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you next time.